Do you want to improve your English speaking, grammar, and vocabulary but you don't have a teacher or expensive app? Let me tell you something powerful. There is a free tool that can help you practice English every single day. It is available 24 hours a day. It never gets tired. And it always gives clear answers. This tool is called ChatGPT. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to improve your English from beginner to advanced level. This is a full step-by-step guide with real examples. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also give you my personal tips to learn faster and smarter. Let's begin. Welcome back to English Academy. My name is Jack and I help you speak English fluently and confidently through real and practical lessons. In this video, I will explain how you can use ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot, to learn English at home without any teacher or expensive classes. You just need a mobile phone or computer and an internet connection. That's it. Now I will explain why ChatGPT is helpful and then show you how to actually use it with examples. Why ChatGPT is a powerful tool for English learners. ChatGPT is like your personal English tutor. You can ask it anything and it will reply in a clear and helpful way. You can have a conversation with it. You can practice writing. You can get corrections and explanations. And you can even prepare for interviews and real-life situations. Unlike some apps that only give short answers, ChatGPT gives full sentences with reasons and suggestions. And it is free. Let us now learn how to use it. Step 1: How to start using ChatGPT. To start using ChatGPT, go to your internet browser and type chat.openai.com. You will see a website where you can sign up. You can use your email or Google account to create a free account. Once you are logged in, you will see a chat box. This is where you can start talking to ChatGPT. Now I will show you 5 ways to use ChatGPT for improving your English. I will also give you examples of what to type and what kind of answers you will get. Way 1: Practice conversation with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT as your conversation partner. Type something like this: "Let's have a conversation. You be a native English speaker and I will be a learner. Please correct my grammar and give suggestions for better sentences." Now you can start chatting. Write your sentences and ChatGPT will reply. If you make a mistake, it will correct it and explain why. This is a great way to improve your speaking, and sentence structure. It is also good for learning how native speakers really talk. Way 2: Grammar correction and explanation. If you are not sure about your grammar, you can copy your sentence and ask ChatGPT to fix it. For example, you can type, "Correct this sentence and explain the mistake. He don't like playing football." ChatGPT will reply with the correct version. "He doesn't like playing football." Then it will explain that we use doesn't with he, she, or it and not don't. This helps you learn the rule and avoid repeating the mistake. Way 3: Building your vocabulary. You can use ChatGPT to learn new English words every day. Type this: "Teach me 5 new English words with meanings and example sentences." ChatGPT will then give you 5 useful words like curious, confident, exhausted, flexible, and polite. It will explain the meaning of each word and use them in example sentences. You can also ask it to show the pronunciation or give translations in your native language. This method is very good for growing your vocabulary daily. Way 4: Writing and rewriting practice. If you want to improve your writing, ask ChatGPT to help you write and then improve your sentences. You can write a short paragraph about my daily routine. ChatGPT will give you a paragraph, then type. Now rewrite it using better vocabulary and more advanced grammar. It will rewrite your paragraph using richer words and better sentence structure. You can compare both versions and learn how to make your writing more professional. Way 5: Practice real-life situations. This is one of the best ways to prepare for real conversations like job interviews, speaking exams, or talking to strangers. Type, Let's do a role play. I am a student going to a job interview. Ask me questions and help me answer them better. ChatGPT will ask you questions like, tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? Then you answer and it will give you suggestions on how to improve your response. This builds confidence and prepares you for real situations. Bonus tip: daily practice plan. Here is my suggestion if you want to get the best results from ChatGPT. Use it for 15 minutes every day. Start with a simple conversation. Then do 1 grammar correction. Then learn 3 new words. And finally write a short paragraph. This daily routine will help you become fluent faster and build your confidence in both writing and speaking. Now I want to hear from you. Which method are you going to try today? Write your answer in the comments and I will reply to help you even more. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to English Academy for more simple and powerful lessons every week. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Motivational closing. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. ChatGPT is a tool that can help you every single day. But the real progress comes from your practice and your patience. So keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep improving. Your English journey is just beginning, and I am here to guide you all the way. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.